I picked up some of the flower solar lights they have this year. I don't think, have they had these before? I don't know. I picked up pink, yellow, and purple, and I also found pink, yellow, and purple glass vases from the Dollar Tree. So I thought I would take advantage the fact that they're all the right colors, right? And I want to see if I can make a cool flower solar light DIY. So I do want flowers inside. I don't want it to be just empty. So I'm using some of the baby's breath from Dollar Tree and I'm using it in white. So it'll kind of take on whatever colors inside. I just wanted something tiny enough to fit in there. And I do want to leave the leaves on there. I cut them all down about the same size and add those to our glass vases. These 3 solar light DIYs are so easy. All I'm going to do is remove the solar light from the flower. And again, when you're buying solar lights at the Dollar Tree, always check to see if they work. I had to go back to the store because the pink one didn't work. And I added a little bit of the Gorilla Glue Clear Grip all the way around. I'm not going to use any hot glue on this. I want this to be super strong and I want the bottle to be sealed because it's going to be outside. I don't want to get any moisture inside of it. And there is our first one, our purple flower solar light. So they're not super bright to light up the jar. I was hoping they'd be a little bit brighter. They do give you a cool effect though. I thought this would be a fun way to do it besides just putting them in a vase like regular flowers, right? So for the yellow one, I do the same thing. It's got the baby's breath inside. I add the Gorilla Clear Grip and the yellow flower. And I do have to let these dry since it's not as fast as the hot glue. The pink's a little bit different shade of pink than the vase, but I think we can make it work. I like that they're all different shapes too. I think that they also had red, but I thought these colors were really springy and would be really fun. So I just put the bead of glue all the way around where it will come into contact with the solar light. And I told you that these were going to be easy. We have 3 little flower solar lights here. So pretty, all displayed together or scattered around your porch or in landscaping. A really fun DIY for spring or summer, I think. As you can see, they're really beautiful during the day, which most solar lights aren't. Most solar lights, are just completely forgettable during the day. But these look really pretty. And let me show you what they look like at night. So as you can see, it does light up the bottle a little bit, but mainly the flower lights up like that, which is still really cool. And I like the variety of colors. I think that looks really neat.